I will explain the trades we took on our public channel and on our VIP channel, why we entered them, and the exact confirmation behind each move. If you want to join our trading community, you can just click on the link in description or message on Android B-Miner support on Telegram. So let's get started. We are also organizing a giveaway for our members. To join this, you can just message on B-Miner support. So the first signal was for VIP, GBPUSD put. As you can see, 5 minutes GBPUSD put. The signal was given at 550 for the downside. Here was a clear downtrend right here. And the price reached the resistance level right here. We marked the resistance level and we waited for it to touch it again. And here we just got down from the resistance level and we won the trade. Amazing win. As you can see, moving average was there, resistance was there, and downtrend was there. Amazing win. Now the second signal was for EURCHF put. Let me show you. At 6 o'clock it was given. We had a news event favoring CHF, creating strong market movements. Price reached the major resistance level right here. We marked it. Then it rejected with a clear wick. And we took a down trade. And it was a clear win. As you can see, amazing win from the resistance level. Amazing. Then the next signal was for CHFJPY, put side. Let me show you. Yeah. The signal was given at 610 for the downside. And the pair was already in a downtrend. But a minor pullback was there. We saw a green candle completing the retracement phase. That was a confirmation to enter a down trade right here for the put side. And we won this. The market respected the structure properly. And we won this trade, as you can see. Amazing win. 3 steps compounding done. Amazing session for today, as you can see. GBCAD win, GBPUSD win, EURCHF win, CHFJPY win.